What if you could hire an employee that works 24/7, never calls in sick, and costs less than $50 a month? That's exactly what AI agents can do right now. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your first AI employee using a tool called Lindy, without writing a single line of code. First, let's clear up the confusion. A chatbot answers questions. An automation like Zapier runs simple rules. If this happens, then do that. An AI agent is different. It can think through a situation, make decisions, and take multiple actions on its own. It's the difference between a vending machine and an actual assistant. When I say AI employee, I mean an agent that can handle real workflows from start to finish. Read an email, understand what the person needs, draft a response, check your calendar, and book a meeting. All without you lifting a finger. Here are the tasks most small business owners hand off first. Email triage. Your AI employee reads incoming emails, categorizes them by urgency, and drafts responses for you to approve or send automatically. Meeting scheduling. It checks your calendar, suggests times, and handles the back and forth. Lead follow-up. When someone fills out a form on your website, the AI sends a personalized follow-up within minutes. Customer FAQs. It answers the same 10 questions you get every day so you don't have to. And data entry. It can pull information from emails or forms and organize it in your spreadsheet or CRM. The tool I recommend for this is Lindy. It's designed specifically for non-technical users who want to build AI agents. You don't need to know how to code. You don't even need to understand how AI works under the hood. Lindy gives you a visual builder where you describe what you want in plain English. You say, when I get an email from a new lead, check my calendar for availability this week, draft a friendly response suggesting 3 meeting times, and send it. Lindy builds the workflow for you. It connects to Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, HubSpot, and dozens of other tools you already use. The free tier lets you try it out. Paid plans start at $49 a month, which is less than 1 hour of a virtual assistant's time. Let me walk you through the setup. Step 1. Sign up at lindy.ai. Step 2. Pick a template. Lindy has pre-built templates for email management, meeting scheduling, and lead follow-up. Or you can start from scratch. Step 3. Connect your tools. Link your Gmail, Google Calendar, and whatever else you use. Step 4. Describe the workflow. This is the important part. Be specific. Don't just say handle my emails. Say, when I receive an email from someone not in my contacts, categorize it as a new lead, draft a response introducing my services, and suggest a 15-minute call this week. Step 5. Test it. Send yourself a test email and watch what happens. Adjust the instructions until it gets it right. Step 6. Turn it on. Your AI employee is now working. It will handle these tasks in the background while you focus on higher value work. Let me be honest about the limits. Your AI employee is not going to close a major deal for you. It can't replace the creative thinking that goes into strategy. It's not going to build deep client relationships. And obviously, it can't show up in person. Think of it as handling the repetitive coordination work that eats up your day. The goal is to free up your time so you can focus on the things that actually require a human brain. Here's the mindset shift that makes this work. Don't think of it as setting up software. Think of it as onboarding a new team member. You wouldn't expect a new hire to be perfect on day 1. You'd give them clear instructions, let them practice, correct their mistakes, and gradually give them more responsibility. Do the same thing with your AI employee. Start with one simple task. Get that working smoothly. Then add another. Within a month, you'll have an AI assistant handling hours of work every week. If you want to see more videos on building AI workflows for your business, hit subscribe. I break down practical AI tools every week in plain English, no jargon, no coding required. Drop a comment and tell me what repetitive task eats up most of your time. I'll try to build a workflow for it in a future video. See you next time.